Lesson: Introduction to Data Privacy Frameworks and Regulations. Data privacy frameworks and regulations form the backbone of contemporary data protection strategies, serving as essential guides for organizations in managing personal data responsibly. With the proliferation of digital data, the need for robust data privacy frameworks has never been more critical. These frameworks not only provide legal compliance, but also build trust with customers and protect against data breaches. In this lesson, we will explore various data privacy frameworks and regulations, offering actionable insights and practical tools for professionals aspiring to become certified data privacy and protection auditors. The General Data Protection Regulation is arguably the most comprehensive data privacy regulation globally, setting a high standard for data protection. It applies to organizations within the European Union and those outside the EU that offer goods or services to EU residents. The GDPR emphasizes transparency, data minimization, and individuals' rights, such as the right to access and the right to be forgotten. A practical tool for GDPR compliance is the Data Protection Impact Assessment, which helps organizations systematically analyze, identify, and minimize data protection risks. For instance, a financial institution planning to launch a new product involving personal data processing can use DPIA to assess potential privacy risks and implement mitigating measures. Beyond GDPR, other significant frameworks include the California Consumer Privacy Act in the United States, which grants California residents specific rights regarding their personal information. The CCPA empowers consumers with rights, such as knowing what personal data is being collected and opting out of its sale. A step-by-step application for CCPA compliance involves mapping data flows to understand what data is collected, developing a privacy notice that informs consumers of their rights, and establishing mechanisms for consumers to exercise these rights. This framework not only enhances compliance, but also fosters consumer trust, as demonstrated by companies like Apple, which prioritize user privacy and have integrated privacy features into their products accordingly. The Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Privacy Framework is another critical guideline that facilitates cross-border data flows while protecting personal information. The APEC framework is particularly relevant for organizations operating in the Asia-Pacific region, emphasizing accountability, consent, and data integrity. A practical application of the APEC framework involves implementing a cross-border privacy rule system, which allows certified organizations to demonstrate compliance with a set of privacy standards. By adopting the CDPPA system, companies such as IBM have effectively managed cross-border data transfers, balancing business needs with privacy protection. In addition to these frameworks, the ISO/IEC 27701 standard provides guidelines for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving a privacy information management system. This standard extends the ISO/IEC 27001 and ISO/IEC 27002 for information security management, integrating privacy into the security framework. Organizations can leverage ISO/IEC 27701 to align their privacy management with international best practices, enhancing their reputation and reducing compliance costs. For example, a multinational corporation can implement IEC 27701 to harmonize its global privacy practices, ensuring consistent data protection across different jurisdictions. To address real-world challenges, data privacy professionals must also consider sector-specific regulations, such as the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act for healthcare data in the United States. HIPAA mandates strict controls over the use and disclosure of protected health information, with significant penalties for non-compliance. A practical tool for HIPAA compliance is the Security Risk Assessment, which helps healthcare organizations identify and mitigate risks to PHI. By conducting an SRA, a hospital can pinpoint vulnerabilities in its electronic health record system and implement necessary safeguards to protect patient data. Statistics underscore the importance of compliance with data privacy regulations. According to the Identity Theft Resource Center, data breaches in the United States increased by 17% in 2021 compared to the previous year, highlighting the escalating threat to personal data. Moreover, a study by Cisco found that companies that invest in privacy see an average return on investment of 2.7 times, demonstrating the financial benefits of robust data privacy practices. These statistics reinforce the need for organizations to adopt comprehensive data privacy frameworks and regulations to safeguard personal data and enhance their competitive advantage. Case studies further illustrate the effectiveness of data privacy frameworks. For instance, the implementation of GDPR by Microsoft led to enhanced data protection measures across its services, benefiting not only European customers but users worldwide. By embedding privacy by design principles into its products, Microsoft improved its compliance posture and strengthened customer trust. Similarly, the adoption of CCPA by Salesforce involved revising its privacy policies and implementing tools to facilitate customer data requests, resulting in improved transparency and customer satisfaction. In conclusion, data privacy frameworks and regulations are indispensable tools for organizations seeking to protect personal data and achieve compliance. By leveraging frameworks such as GDPR, CCPA, APEC, ISO IEC 2701, and sector-specific regulations like HIPAA, data privacy professionals can implement effective data protection strategies. Practical tools such as DPIAs, data flow mapping, CBPR systems, and SRAs provide actionable insights for addressing privacy challenges. The benefits of robust data privacy practices are evident in improved customer trust, reduced risks of data breaches, and enhanced organizational reputation. As the landscape of data privacy continues to evolve, staying informed about the latest frameworks and regulations is crucial for professionals aiming to excel as certified data privacy and protection auditors.